So you are already actually using DOM, and this is actually a dynamic object model, right? And it defines a couple of things in the HTML. When we think about HTML elements as objects, properties for all elements, method for HTML element, events for all HTML element. Whereas the HTML DOM is an API for JavaScript, where someone can add, change, remove HTML elements, should be able to add, change or remove HTML attributes, right? And should be able to change the styles of these attributes or the element, and can react to HTML events and can change it. So how we are doing it, if we look at this document, what we are creating, the HTML document so far, this is how the HTML documents looks like. It has the top or the root element as HTML. Then it has two parts. One is header, another one is body. We mostly are working towards this part, whereas head is also important for multiple reasons. One is it is comprising your metadata information, as well as this is also very much important for SEO related activity. So what is the title, what is the page name, so all those things are actually comprising as part of the header only. Whereas within header we have title, we can have JavaScript, CSS files, so the link is to them. And then if we talk about the body, we have different elements. So it shows two elements on this one. One is the text, another one is means text as an href, whereas another text as a simple h1. H1 is the heading. And then this element has one attribute called href, right? So to be able to access any element, we know what is the process we have been doing since morning. Can someone please call it out?
Using IDs.
Right. So we access this document as document dot, and then whatever element we want to access, we say that document dot get element by ID. And then we can do a couple of things. We can either update its inner HTML, we can also read its value. So whatever you want to do, we can do this with the DOM activity.